Hi everybody, I'm Natalie with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and today on Embroidery 101 we're just going to have a quick conversation about adding words or letters to our embroidery projects. So there are a lot of resources available. If you go to the Embroidery 101 landing page, you'll be able to find some printables. We have a great alphabet, and you can see I've cut out the J because I made this cute little tooth fairy bag with a monogrammed letter on it. So that is very cute. We have, it comes with numbers as well, so if you print these out on your peel and stitch, you'll get the letters and the numbers. And then we also have a really cute little Monday through Sunday, the words, so you can do your little days of the week tea towels. And I combined this, the Sunday print, with these cute little flowers that is also a downloadable on our website. And then really you can come up with any pattern or word or thing that you want by searching online. You can search for coloring pages and print those out for embroidery, or you can go to your Word document in your computer and just type in the name or the word that you want and print it out. So you can print that directly out onto a peel and stitch, or you can print it on a piece of paper and trace it onto your project. So I've got some fabric here, so you could trace it directly onto your fabric just by using a light box or a window, or you could print it onto, or trace it, sorry. You could trace it onto your peel and stitch, and I've done that a few different times. I did that for this one right here. So I combined this little bee that comes in our beginner's kit and is also available as a download with the word kind. So I just, I printed it out and traced it on to my paper. I'm gonna print or trace this one. And this is great because you can just, then you can change the direction. Like if you wanted it to be at an angle or have a curve in it, you can reposition this peel and stitch pretty easily until it's exactly where you want it, which I think makes it very user-friendly. I'm just going to write the word quilt here. Instead of quilting, I'm going to quit at quilt, because what I want to do is cut that out. I'm just going to use these little scissors. So then you can save your peel and stitch for lots of different projects. And I'm gonna put this on this fabric. And I think what I'll do is combine it. Oops. I'm gonna combine that with this little print right here. So I'm going to just clean up these edges because I've been cutting off of this sheet for a while and making all kinds of fun things. And I'm going to add this. Oh, just peel and stitch. It's very easy in theory. There we go. Actually, I'm going to move this up because I don't like the way it looks. Put this down first, and then put this above it. And just like that, it's ready to stitch. I just need to grab my handy dandy embroidery hoop, some floss, and a needle, and I'm good to go. So some of the stitches that are great for outlining, and you'll see the differences here. We've got running stitch, back stitch, whipped back stitch, stem stitch, split stitch, and chain stitch. And those are the ones that typically work really well for tracing lines or outlining things. You'll see how this one looks here. This is done in chain stitch. I think it looks really cute. It's very like playful and fun. And then this one, I did the whipped back stitch, and I used a variegated thread, so it has that really cool like ombre look. Looks like you've used different colors, which is also a great idea. You could kind of do your own thing by combining whatever colors you like. And then this one up here, this is a split stitch. So that's just a plain split stitch with a French knot for the dotting the I. I think that's called ellipses, something like that. So I hope this has helped a little bit with some ideas for personalization. It doesn't have to be scary. We have lots of resources for you, but remember, you can completely do whatever you want. You can just write it with your own handwriting, or you can type it in on your computer, change the font, change the size, whatever you want to do to personalize your projects, add names and monograms. It's super fun. There's lots of options, and it doesn't have to be scary. You can just print it out on your peel and stitch, or you can print it on regular paper and trace it onto whatever fabric you want, reposition it, add it to other things. There's so many options out there. But hopefully this has given you some confidence and some ideas for creativity. And just know that if you have any questions, you can send us an email and we will dig into that and try and figure things out together. So I hope you enjoyed this video on adding names and letters to your projects from the Missouri Star Quilt Company. Thank you so much for joining me for this video today. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it inspired your creativity. And guys, we're at almost 1 million quilters strong in our community. So if you know of anybody that you think might like to join us and learn quilting with us, bring them on in, put your arm around them, and tell them to subscribe to our channel so that we can all learn and grow together.